Now your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Well, welcome back. We're getting ready to get some heavier rain moving into Topeka right now. You can hear some rumbles of thunder here at the studio, but this is our West Topeka camera. It's looking quite a bit darker now as we're looking off to the south and to the west at that batch of storms moving on in. You can see some lightning there in the corner. This is our Central Topeka camera. It's currently raining, but it's getting ready to rain a bit harder here in Topeka. 63 degrees is our current temperature. Winds are out of the north and west, and we've picked up just about an inch and 9/10 since midnight, and we're likely to pick up quite a bit more here just shortly as we get that stronger storm to move on in. Now there's a look at your satellite and radar. You can see the oranges and reds indicating that moderate to heavy rainfall working its way right up the 335 corridor, getting ready to make its way into Shawnee County, Osage County as well, and that's going to continue to lift off to the north and east. Still some pockets of some moderate rainfall even behind that too, so we're going to continue to see rounds of storms through the daytime today, especially later on this afternoon again as it starts to redevelop. So future track does push some of this off by the time we get to 9-10 o'clock this morning, but we could still see some more rounds of rain even through about lunchtime before more storms try to develop later on this afternoon and evening. This is when we're expecting another batch of some heavy rain potentially in our southern counties. This is when we could see an additional, 1 to 2, maybe as high as 4 inches or so if you get underneath one of those heavier cells too. Now through the daytime Wednesday, still seeing some scattered showers and storms, and then finally this starts to wind down. You just saw that little glitch there. That happens sometimes when we get the lightning here at the studio, so don't be worried if you see me kind of flash in and out here while I'm doing weather. But we do have our estimated rainfall by the time we get to Wednesday. Like I was saying, an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe as high as 4 or so underneath some of those heavier pockets. So we're going to be monitoring the flooding risk over the next couple of days with that flood watch in effect for our southern counties until 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. Winds now are mainly out of the north and west with that cold front sliding through, and we are experiencing much less wind, so that's some good news too. We got light winds coming up the next couple of days. We'll actually end up with a really great end to the week. We just have to get through the stormy middle part of the week first. So current temperatures are in the upper 50s to low 60s for the most part this morning, and we are going to see some temperatures being a little bit cooler through the daytime tomorrow, maybe even in the upper 60s to low 70s. But look at Thursday and Friday. Light winds, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, sunshine returning. It's brief though, because by the time we get to the weekend, we're looking at another chance for storms arriving by Saturday.